Hello everyone, in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can easily create an Instagram account in 2024 on your mobile phone. By following the few simple steps that I show you, now you'll be able to create an Instagram account very easily. So make sure to watch the video till the end so you don't make any mistakes. By saying that, let's start the video. At first, go to your home screen and tap on the Instagram app icon. If you don't have Instagram app, you can download it from Google Play Store in case of Android, and in case of iPhone you can download it from App Store. To create a new account, you have to tap on this create new account, and here you can create your account with your mobile number and with your email also. I'll create my account with my email and enter your email address and tap next. Your confirmation code will be sent into your email address. You have to check it on the Gmail. I'll check it on my Gmail. Here you can see the code that Instagram had sent to me. You have to copy that code and go back to the Instagram and paste it here and tap next and create a password with you some special characters and some alphabet letters and the numbers. And tap on next. And tap on save. Here you have to set your date of birth. I'll set mine. And tap on set here and tap on next. Here write your full name and tap on next. Here your username should be unique. You can enter any username you like, but your username should be unique. And tap on next and tap on I agree and tap on create new account and tap on skip. If you want to add a profile picture, you can add your profile picture by tapping on the add picture, but I'll skip it for now. And tap on next and tap on allow and tap on skip for now and tap on skip and tap on skip and tap on this arrow. Here we have successfully created a Instagram account. So my friend, that's it. If you find this video helpful, even 1%, consider subscribing and leave a like. I'll be back with another problem solving video like this. Thanks for watching.